Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make an image fill the entire page in Word using full size of page for an image. So just follow these steps. Click anywhere, then insert picture on this device and select your picture. Now right click on it and in the wrap text select behind text. Now adjust the picture size according your page size. That's it. So this is the way you can maximize your picture size according your page size in Microsoft Word, and you can use as a background once you double click on it this picture. So this picture property will be open, and here in the transparency you can select your required transparency. Similarly, you can insert different pictures. So same insert and picture this device, and this time select another picture. Make sure you have to click in page where you want to insert the picture. So same, adjust the picture size according your page size. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you, and insert. So insert. So design and watermark, custom watermark, select picture watermark and select your picture. Apply and close it. So thanks for watching, comment this video useful for you.